In this video, I want to show you how I'm going to need you to record so that things can go much faster. I'm going to show you a format that I use, a format and a formula that I like to use. And the reason why I'm sharing this with you is because we have to produce multiple songs. To be able to get up to maybe 4 or 5 songs a week, good quality songs, we have to have a lot more structure, very structured. So I'm going to show you a really fast way that I'm going to, for us to be able to accomplish the goals and to turn around songs really fast. I'm putting a lot of emphasis on the formula that I use and the arrangement and the flow, the recording flow, especially when you send it to me. This may seem easy for me to edit and put together, but it's extremely difficult, very difficult. So what I want you to do, I want you to re-record this. I let it eat my veggies, but I'm gonna show you how I want you to record it. So I'm gonna give you an example of exactly where things should go and best practice. So I got the tracks already lined up. I got about 12 tracks. And I'm going to just show you real quick. We're going to do it just like this. Hook. I need a raya, dia. Now you may not, hold on. Let me say this real quick. You may not be able to hear the music, not right now, because I got the settings set to record my vocals. But when I'm done, I'm going to play back what I recorded. So you're only going to be able to hear me sing, but you're not going to be able to hear the parts, not right now. But we're going to do it like this. I need a raya, dia. And I'm just freestyling. I need a raya, dia. Yeah, I need a rider, dia. Hey, I need a rider. Matter of fact, hold on. I'm sorry about that. We can keep this simple. Here, 4 bars. Just for the sake of this tutorial. We're just going to do 4 bars. Next track. I need a raya, dia. I need a raya, dia. Okay, next track. I need a raya, dia. I need a raya, dia. Sorry about the bad harmonies, but this is just a demonstration. I need a raya, dia. I need a raya, dia. Okay, and the last harm. I need a raya, dia. Hey, I need a raya, dia. I know it sounds terrible, but you get the point. You get the point. Let's see here. One more. I need a raya, dia. Hey, I need a raya, dia. Okay, and make sure your snap is on. Make sure your bar is on. Get your scissors. Cut you out the edges, right? And like parts that record like that, you just go ahead and snap it to the beginning so it's easy for you to drag. Select all of them, hold control, drag. We got the hook. Verse. This is exactly how I need you to record the verse. Now, we're going to not put nothing on the hook track right here. That's just the hook, right? Now let's do the verse. No ad libs or nothing like that. Walking down the street, doing all my thing. Everybody gotta know that I'm trying to be king. We can do it up, we can do it down. We can drink and we can swing and swing it all around. Okay, I talk, I walk into my thought. Everybody know that we doing it with heart. We cool, we fast, we get it blast. We can walk and talk and we can shake it on the grass. Hey, boom. And guess what? Take this, select, drag it. That's the hook, right? No need to re-record the hook. Verse, hook. Look, the song is almost done, right? Let me see. So we do our next verse. Let's go ahead and just drop it. Okay, that must have been off. Let me see. Wait a minute, that's off beat. Right there. Okay, sorry about that. All right, so we're off one bar. We can just snap it. Hey. Okay. Now I'm gonna play it loud in a minute, but I'm just gonna show you how fast it is to produce a song. Okay. I know we got to go. We gonna do it ready to the show. I take a phone with the talk but a song with a I got that nigga simple tie. He hook up with the guy. Wale kiss him more than cotton tico boom shot. Hey, for and petty that and that. And I get the fit inside the get it go. Hey. Okay, and then that's the verse. Drag, boom. Verse and hook. Play it, make sure it's right. Hey. Okay, bam, right there. And just for the sake of the tutorial, just to speed things up, I'm just going to copy and drag. That's just one more verse. That's emergency verse. I'm going to slide this, select all of these. Now, we're going to add a bridge. Let me show you, right? So the bridge, where's the bridge going to go? The bridge can go one time at the end here. Let's not even think about it. Just add it. Hey, I know she only got it away. Hey, yeah. Bam, right there. And do it again. But separate track. Hey, but the hey, and what you want to add add one more? Go ahead. Okay, and then guess what? Well, what you want to put there? The hook? No problem. Hold control, drag, put the hook after you do all that hooting and hollering. So you can't hear nothing. So let me play it. So let me change it real quick so that you can actually hear it. But here's the thing, what I want you to pay attention to while this is setting itself up. This is a clean slate for me to work with. This is very, very, very important. I'm putting a lot of emphasis on very important on making sure that the tempo is correct. We discussed that, and the format and how this recording is set up. The format is so important. Let me see if I could pull up a song. I'm gonna pull up another song real quick that I already produced. Where is it at? Day of the week. Now this song that you sent over to me was excellent. But you see the arrangement, you see how everything is tight. It's very important that stuff is like this because I have to copy and drag like tremendous tedious parts. And if everything is all over the place, I can't move. I can't, you know what I'm saying? I can't shake and move the way I want to. Let me see if this is, I'm gonna play this real quick. Let me see, just play a little bit. But
learning together is so much fun. The days of the week have just begun. Each day is special. Just take a seat.
So you see how all these little processes. But you see how organized everything is. See, so the arrangement, everything, but here's the thing though. I had to do this. But what I want you to do, I want you to do it. If you can do it, we can get songs turned around much, much more faster. But this is the format. This is the formula. You do not have to deviate from it. Stick as close as humanly possible to this formula. As you see the same formula: the hook, the verse, the bridge, the bridge. If you want to do ad libs, do your best, or not do your best. Just don't do your ad lib on multiple tracks. Do all your ad libs on one track. That means this. Let's say, for example, let's go to the hook and we want to do the ad lib. Select a different track. Let's go through the process. Let's see here. Why y'all want to disappear? Get out of here. Let's go through the process. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I had to change this over real quick. Preference. Again, you're not going to hear me because it's going to be in record mode. You're not going to hear any recordings. You're just going to hear me. But let's do the ad lib. Okay. Yep. My thing. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Swing it all around. Yup. Hey. Song. Hey. Okay. Boom. That's it. Just this track. You got any other ad libs? Make sure you add it on this track. So when I get a package from you, it should look exactly like this. Can't be. It shouldn't look like this, and like that, and like that, and like that, and maybe a part right there, and that's a different part, and that part can't look like that. It shouldn't look like that. If it looked like that, I can't work. I can't turn our song around because I have to go and I have to edit all that stuff. You see what I'm saying? But you see how I just broke the whole track all down into bits and pieces. But look, you see how I'm quickly able to put the song right back together again? That's because this is a formula that I use. It's a format. Now, all songs ain't gonna have the same layout and same structure, but the key point is I need everything extremely tight and organized. Extremely tight and organized for me to be able to do my job. Keep in mind, I had to take all of these, I had to mix them, convert them to AI, then bring them back over here, mix them again before I even start remixing or doing music production. But let's listen back real quick. This is a whole full song that I just did in just a few minutes, right? That's what I want you to do. Even and something else too. When you want to write a song, you want to write it fast, and you kind of just want to just work on melodies. You don't even have to write the lyrics. Just take the track and do exactly this. I need a ride, and I'm just freestyling. I need a ride, and you can come back to it later and word it out. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just freestyling. I need a ride, walking down the stage. Okay, doing all my things. Yep. Everybody gotta know that I'm trying everything. Yeah, we can do it up. Okay, now I'm just gonna let this verse play and then I'm gonna let the hook play just so you can get a feel. Swing it all around. Yep. Hey, I talk. Now I know my song. This may seem like we doing it over the top of overkill of explanation. We get it grass. We can walk and talk and we can shake it on that grass. Hey, I need a ride. And I see, so we got a whole song that I literally just slapped together in a few minutes. The only reason it's taking longer because I'm talking and explaining. But this is the format. This is the formula. This is the format that I need, that I really need from you or from anybody that's producing out there in the production world. Your songs should be formatted in a way just like this, right? So it's just less work on the producer and the engineer and all the other type of stuff. Now, what I like to do after the verses and everything is all laid out, I like to join the clips. I don't like everything to be all over the place. Join the clips. I can join all those clips. Right click. I don't want you to do this, though. This is something that I do. But join the clips, and now we got everything in parts. But I'm gonna undo that. I want you to focus on recording it in this way. This is the way that I need for you to record, no matter what. You know what I'm saying? This is the fast way to record. It's structured, it's organized, and just keep in mind, especially if you want to make help for songs to turn around much faster and much more organized, this is the formula. You see that? It's the exact formula I just showed you. This is exactly how vocals should look when you sending it. All right, that's it. We got more to talk about. Oh, one more thing I want to share with you real quick. The levels, the recording levels, vocal levels, is very important. Right now, if you look down here, you see the large, you see the medium, and then you see the small. When you record, they was really small like this, not even being set right here. This is the average. This is the length of your recording should be. The loudness it should be. This is distorted. If it's recorded like this, you can blow it up just to see it. But if it's recorded like this and it's clipping like that, that's too loud. Just bring it down. You can show the medium, but you should see some black. It shouldn't be like real low levels. Anyway, we'll talk more about that, but let's get the structure together. So re-record the song, rearrange it, and resend it to me exactly in this type of format where everything is laid out organized. All right, that's it for now.